Hello guys, in this video we'll see what exactly the concept of sealed class in Java programming language. So this sealed class concept introduced in Java 17. So it is related to Java inheritance concept. Generally inheritance meaning we are going to extend parent class properties in child classes, right? And we also discussed about final class. There is small relationship, right? Here, inheritance and final class. Generally, any class we can inherit in another class. But when it comes to final class, these final classes won't allow any other class to extend those properties, correct? Because there is a chance of overriding. As final class is against to overriding concept, so it is not going to allow extending final class into any other class generally. So now combination of both we are going to have in the sealed class. Sealed class is also kind of inheritance concept where it is going to restrict only limited classes can extend the parent class. So let's see with the example. So I'm going to create 4 different classes here. One class I'm going to create it as a parent class. And I'll try to create 3 different child classes with the name like child1 along with main method, child2 along with main method, and child3. So I have created one parent class and 3 different child classes here. Now what exactly I'm going to do here? So I'll arrange all these classes. So parent class here, child1, child2, child3. Now what exactly I'm going to do? I'm going to make parent class as sealed class. Whenever we are going to update any class as sealed class, then we have to update what are all the other classes can extend this sealed class. These details also have to mention by using the keyword called permits. Let's say now I'm going to permit child1 or child2, child3 like this. Let's see what is going to happen. So basically the concept of sealed class here is I don't want all other classes can extend this parent class. I am going to restrict the extending concept only to these 2 classes, like child2 and child3 only can extend this parent class. But child1, if it is going to extend this particular class, parent class, it should give us error. Let's see. Now child2 extends parent extends parent. And one more important thing here, whatever the class that is going to extend parent class that is created as a sealed class, right? This child class should become final class. Then only it is allowed. Because once you are going to extend sealed class, this child class should not be extended by any other class. Otherwise, there is no use of sealed class, right? Because if you are going to create it as a normal class and if you are going to extend sealed class, normal class can be extended by any other class also. That's the reason. Normal classes, we are not going to allow to extend the sealed class. Only final classes can extend sealed class. So now this parent class is restricted to only child 2 and child 3 can extend. When it comes to child 1, even though it's a final class, if child 1 tries to extend this parent class, basically it is going to throw an error because permitted subtype of sealed class feature dot parent. Extending a sealed class parent should be permitted subtype of parent, meaning whenever you want to extend sealed class, first of all you need to take permission from parent class. Currently we are allowing only child 2 and child 3. That's why there is no error while extending parent class in child 2 and child 3. But when it comes to child 1, it is giving error. If you are going to add child 1 also, then child 1 also eligible to extend parent class. So this is how generally sealed class concepts will work. That was introduced in Java 17. Thank you guys.